What's up guys, Emmanuel here. I actually just picked up a carbon fibre hood and I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. I kind of already unboxed it, but it was kind of late at night because I had just gotten home from work and it was dark and I could barely see it. So I'm gonna take a good look at it today. I'm gonna open it up. I wrapped it back up, so I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So check it out. I'm gonna need this. So I went ahead and switched over to the GoPro, and I have the box. I ordered this from eBay, and it came from Taiwan, and ship time's about a week. I just ordered it last, was it Thursday or Friday, and it just got here on Tuesday, so about less than a week. It's a carbon fiber DUCKTAIL spoiler, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I originally wanted to get a BM spec deck lid spoiler, but I just really couldn't find it. I guess they don't sell it anymore. They have some. Nobody cares about the box. They had some posted on their Facebook, but I guess they're not making them anymore. So I'll go ahead and try to put a picture up and show you guys what I'm talking about. But yeah, I went with this one. It's carbon fiber. I have already opened this and I took a look at it, but it was kind of dark, so now there's obviously better lighting. And the way you mount this, you do double-sided adhesive, double-sided tape, and let me show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, there you go, carbon fiber DUCKTAIL spoiler. So there you have it guys, this is the DUCKTAIL spoiler I had ordered on eBay. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the exact product. I got sellers that make this, and I'm pretty sure they're probably the same seller or same manufacturer, and then there's just different sellers on. This is what it looks like outside. Go ahead and install this, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. But yeah, go ahead and just wipe this down. Spray the back of this with the, just wet it with this. I'm gonna wet this. Oh, that was too much. Too wet. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just wipe this down. I'm gonna go ahead and go in like a linear pattern so I don't get any swirl marks. Hopefully I don't get roasted by the car community. This time with this. I'm gonna make sure this is kind of wet too, wipe it down. And then, so this is looking pretty clean. I'm gonna take this, wet it one more time. So I'm gonna spray it down with this now, and I'm gonna clay it. And the way this works too is you spray this, and what this does, it's gonna strip off the wax that's on here, so it's gonna let the adhesive stick properly. Now I'm just gonna wipe this one last time. Should be good to go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and mock up the wing. So I want it perfectly centered. So see how on this side it's flush with the tail light, and then I have this huge space on this side, so I need to make sure it's perfectly flush. Line perfectly. So it's flush here, and there's a gap here. So move it maybe a little bit more this way. So yeah, that's pretty good right here. Yeah, I would say it's pretty even. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay a piece of tape so I know exactly where I'm gonna sit it when I install it. Okay. So right at the edge, like right there. And then another one right here. So we'll kind of pull it forward. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go ahead and install the double-sided tape on here. Alcohol prep pad, and I'm also going to wipe it down. So this whole area here is going to get hit with the alcohol prep pad. Right there, right there. Start pulling this, but like not all the way. So when I get it set, I'll just pull it out. Go to center it. So lined up here, looks pretty good. Alright, I think I'm gonna start taking these off. This is pretty flush. Take this one off, press it down. Make sure everything's still looking good. Press it down. Start pulling this off. And there you have it, guys. So it's on there pretty good. And then I'll just go ahead and take this off. But yeah, it gives it a slight little lift right here. Looks pretty good. I like the way it came out. But yeah, there you have it, guys. So there you have it, guys. That was pretty much the install. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll go ahead and leave the links in this description box, and hopefully you give this video a like. Please follow, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'll see you later, dude.